Hey everybody, this is Marcus Curtis from Marcus Curtis Music, and today I'm going to take this Behringer X32 mixer, and I'm going to mount it inside this rack mount case by Gator. So let's get started. Okay, the case itself has these little latches that twist and turn, spin it around this way. It's almost like a magic show, huh? This lifts off, and the Behringer is going to mount right on the top, right here. Okay, and this front part comes off as well. There it is. Before we mount the Behringer in here, I'm also going to put a drawer, a rack mount drawer right here. Just going to go ahead and tip this back on its back. This is a rack mount drawer we're going to use, and this is going to provide some stability to the case while we're mounting the Behringer, so we're going to mount this first. Okay, we're just going to take this drawer and drop it down into here. Slide it up. Let's put some screws in. Okay, let's lift this up. Alright, so now we have a little bit of stability and got a drawer installed on our rack. Okay, now let's take a look at the mixer. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take the side panel off, and so we're going to use our screwdriver and get in here and get on these screws that are evasive, of course, and remove the screws in order to take a side panel off. We have 5 of these. Pick up the screws. So here's our rack mount plates. And these attached to the side. I'm not sure if these come with a mixer or not. Maybe somebody can answer that question for me in the comments section. I bought the mixer used, so when I found these plates. So we're going to go ahead and attach the plates next. And they're going to go, it's right there. We got enough screws here. Okay, right there, there they are. Okay, so, okay. You don't want them too tight. You just want to. You don't want them loose, but you don't want to strip it out either. You don't want it too tight. Just tight enough. Okay, good. Now let's do the other side. These are all kind of tough. Go. Should be right about. So these side plates here take 5 screws, but these mounting brackets only take 4. So it gives you an extra screw on each side. I'm just going to go ahead and screw them in right here, just in case I ever want to put the side plates back on and take it out of the rack, I can. There, I'm going to spin around on the other side too. Do the same thing over there. Okay, now it's time to put the mixer inside the rack. So I'm going to lift this up, place it down, watch my fingers. Okay, come on. There we go. Line it up, and now I'm going to get some screws. Here we go. We're all ready for the road. Except for now, this is going to be used in a studio setting and not a road setting. And I want to take my SD16. I'm going to mount it underneath in the rack mount. Okay. So let's flip this on its back. Close this way a little bit. Okay, in order to mount the SD, we're going to use these wings right here. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take the screws off. The wing, I guess it's like this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Okay, now we're ready to put it in the rack. Okay, before we put this in our rack, right here for now, I'm going to attach the power cable. Then we'll attach the Cat 5 cable on the other side. Now, we're going to attach it into the A side. This mixture is on the A side. Okay, I want to make sure that the dip switch is set properly. And we want to make sure that the power is on. And we'll do this. And we'll be ready to screw here in a moment. Three. And now we're ready to pick this back up. There we go. X32 producer with the SD16. Both items are rack mountable. You can take it on the road or you can use it in your recording studio. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Marcus Curtis from Marcus Curtis Music. Don't forget to click subscribe. I have more videos like this coming. And also click the like button. Give me a thumbs up. I'll talk to you later. Bye.